Hey guys, welcome to Food With Us. Today we will be making Cuban sandwich, aka sandwich Cubano. The ingredients for today will be an Italian bread, Swiss cheese, ham, pickle, mayo, butter, and most important of all, pernil, pork shoulder. The first thing we will be doing is putting mayo in our bread. Make sure you get the whole entire bread. Okay. That's perfect. Next, we will be putting our Swiss cheese. Then we will place our ham. Now we will be putting our pernil, also known as pork shoulder. Look at that, that looks so good. Then we will be adding our pickles. Go guys. Now we will be adding butter on our bread. Now we will be putting our sandwich on the George Foreman grill. You can also use a pan and a spatula so you can be able to press it down. Now we're going to add a little bit of butter on the other side of the bread. And we're going to press this down and let it cook for at least 5 minutes. Make sure you press it down so the bread can absorb all the juice. Alright guys, we're back. It has been about 5 minutes already. Our Cubano should be... Oh wow, look at that. It is awesome. Let's scoop this out. Check that out. Now that's a Cubano sandwich. Alright guys, I am going to cut this down. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And don't forget that notification button.
See you next time. Bye.